This is the new proper way to do a CO test. First you clean it, then you check it. There are a few following steps you'll have to do. You need an analyzer for one. And on your analyzer, you need a temperature sensor, and you're going to need a CO. That's going to analyze CO, of course. And it's going to tell you exactly where you're at and if your furnace is bad or good. Usually a place to shut them off at is around 100 parts per million, and that's how you know you have a problem. But you want to officially clean this unit. There's a heating and cooling company out that looked at this furnace earlier today, and they said it was bad. Well, I found it had a plug heat exchanger, and after a thorough cleaning, I tested it, and it is now running at 16 parts per million. And it keeps going down. Now, if the technician had done his job right, he would have more than likely found that this furnace that he claimed bad and tried to sell a new furnace to was not bad at all. Because I inspected the heat exchanger and found no cracks. I'm running 12 ppms as of right now. You can see the efficiency. You can see the stat temperature, air temperature. O2 is 15.9%. As you can see, I have mine set on run and natural gas. And this is the new back rack in sight. With the B-Smart sensor. Make sure you clean the burners and the heat exchanger out. A vacuum like this will do the job. It has a suck and blow and it's wet and dry. Make sure the furnace filter is clean. Make sure your gas pressure is adjusted right on the 90%, you're going to want to do with the doors on. And that's how it should be properly done.